You will go down, then you go forward and back there. Yeah, they're front, they're back. Okay. Now they're front, back. Okay. Let it just move. Come back. All right. Remember. Okay, sir. Okay, well, almost in. Like, just back. What's it not here?
Let the president between the children.
Okay.
Not the president.
Okay, not the president. Okay. The deputy.
Okay.
The deputy.
Okay.
The deputy president.
I'm happy to see you there.
Well done, bro. Well done, my brother.
Thanks.
Can you just write the name of the president? Good afternoon, everybody. Actually, I was meant to welcome you and then properly acknowledge the presence of Senator Azuta Mbata. We welcome you. I guess the order in which we do some things do not matter as long as we do them right. First thing first, Baba was not just a friend of Ndigbo. Baba was a friend of all persons of goodwill. He simply, our leader simply supported the truth. Wherever the truth led, he followed. Whether that truth demanded that he must support a candidate of Igbo extraction, or whether it meant that he was going to go to jail in Ghana when he was much younger, wherever the truth led, our leader followed. That truth led him to become a voice for Igbo rights in Nigeria in recent time is merely because his voice from the 50s echoed back, saying the same things he had been saying consistently for the 70+ years that he was in the public space. The one thing that defined our leader is the word consistency. He never said something in the morning to recant later in the day. Whatever he said in the morning, he said until the day he passed away. Like him, disagree with him, whatever else you may or may not do, you will never say it was anything other than truthful, completely truthful. Maybe sometimes even to a fault, especially to his loved ones who would probably prefer to hear him say yes when he wanted to say no. But the important thing is that we welcome you. We thank you for coming. We appreciate that you've reciprocated that love that he has himself shown to you. May God bless each and every one of you. We welcome you. We recognize a lot more, like Baba here.
Distinguished members of the Affairs who are here. I unfortunately don't have the protocols. I don't know this. But please, I recognize that the leaders of Affairs are here. And I salute them. I recognize the family of our demise leader. And family would be the point of contact for all the family members. My responsibility is very short and small, is to condole with you on this very sad occasion of the demise of the patriarch of your family, who also seconded as the leader of the Afghanistan. Like we say in popular parlance in Nigeria, sorry, leading the Ndigbo at the highest level to show our solidarity with you and to pronounce our profound pain at this event, because we have come to identify the patriarch as our leader, a nationalist, a patriot, properly so called, somebody who has the interests of the nation at heart. Even though he is of Yoruba extraction, and through the auspices of Afenifere, fights for the interests of the Yorubas. He consistently reached out, put his hands across the Niger for a handshake in the East. And on this occasion, we are saying that we are very impressed with the way that he related to all Nigerians, defended the welfare and the interests of every Nigerian on a need-to-do basis. So, we're here to say that we are sad that he has left us, but we are comforted. And I think the family should be comforted by the fact that he left a legacy of service, selfless service, a legacy of patriotism behind which puts his children, those who love him, struggle to continue. So, on behalf of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, I express my sincere condolences conveyed to your family. Thank you very much. God bless.
Of the Ohaneze, welcome, welcome, welcome. Baba, to start with, was the initiator with the Inca of what they try to call the handshake across the Niger. Baba didn't give a handshake across the Niger. He gave a massive bear hug to the Igbos across the Niger. That's what he did. And that's what he believed in all his life. And anything that has tones of fairness, equity, even to the detriment, as you all know, of his own personal constituency. If he believed in something, he lived it right through whatever the consequences. So we're very grateful, and he would be exceptionally gratified and have a feeling of justification of what he stood for. The caliber of you eminent people from Igbo land, starting from your most distinguished new leader of Ohanaeze, Ndigbo. I know Iwanya was very close to him as well. Unfortunately, they took their time in the last 3 months, and him, Clark, and whatever, they're planning another meeting upstairs, you know, so to make sure they keep a spiritual eye on the rest of us here, to make sure they're doing that. So, very grateful to you all. On behalf of my family, we're very humbled. If I look at the caliber of those of you that are here, I know I'm very truly humbled, because I know the experiences, the combined life force that you all hold is enough to write a history of the Igbo land. That's the history of the Igbo land at the moment in this room. Thank you. God bless you on behalf of the family. We're very humbled. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, he has taken. Also, West Ham.
Our number on neck,